What is going on, guys? We are back from our 34, back with another video. It is currently Wednesday, about 10:45 in the morning. We're just picking up our paperwork for our load. Today we're picking up eggs. So we have a couple stops in Amarillo and one stop in Hereford, Texas. And then we're gonna go get eggs from Cal-Maine Foods out in Farwell. So that is what we're gonna end up doing today. The fuel bay here is down, so I'm not gonna put fuel here in the yard. I just need to go get weighed out, slide my axles, and then we'll be on our way. Okay, so we got our axles slid, we got all our weights right. Now we're just gonna head to Amarillo to put fuel at the Loves, and then once we put fuel at the Loves, then we got 2 stops in Amarillo, 1 stop in Canyon, Texas, and 1 stop in Hereford, Texas. So 4 stops total today. Then we gotta go get a truck wash and go pick up eggs. So pretty easy route. It'll be in 2 days, so you guys kind of see that. But we'll just get that taken care of, and then we'll get back with you. All right, what's up, guys? We are in Amarillo, Texas right now. We just finished our first stop. They had 6 total pallets. 1 was a double stack, so 7, but 6 total. So we're on our way to our next stop. It's about 12 minutes away, but with traffic, probably 15, 20. So we're gonna head over there and then catch up with you there. So I'm pulling up to my next delivery, and I gotta back into this door, so I gotta wait for this tow truck to finish hooking and getting this car out of the way. So see what happens. All right, guys, so we just finished unloading here. This is our last one in Amarillo, so we're gonna go to Canyon, Texas now and unload over there. They have 9, because one's a double stack, so 9 total over there, and then we gotta go to Hereford. It's the first time I've ever been to Hereford, so I don't know what to expect. I don't know where the dock's at or anything like that, so when I get up to Canyon, I'll get on the GPS and kind of check it out, but we're gonna head over there now. Good morning, guys. Woke up to some snow here in Amarillo. Looks like it snowed overnight. Not much. You can kind of see it's not sticking to the ground at all, but definitely got some snow here in Amarillo. So we're gonna now head on to pick up our eggs in Farwell, Texas. That's where we're headed now. Just pick up the eggs and then go back to the yard. So stick around. bad day right there. Well, it looks like we're gonna have to wait for the train. I hardly ever catch the train here, but it looks like today we got it, so we're gonna have to wait for the train to go through, and then we'll be able to get back on the road. Well guys, I am sitting in the truck editing this video that I'm uploading now, and I never recorded an outro. Just jumped out of the truck and unhooked the trailer, lowered the landing gear, and did that whole process, and then I jumped in the truck and started doing my paperwork right away. Totally forgot to do an outro, so this is the outro to that video. All we did after that was go inside and set our PTA, and then that was it. We were done. So sorry I didn't record an outro, but thanks guys so much for watching. Definitely leave a like and a comment, and hope you guys have a good day. Thanks.